historical research.
The government should honestly admit how the printing of posters was done, how Jawaharlal Nehru was left out. Everyone knows whenever BJP tries to attack Congress party, they bring Jawaharlal's name. Kashmir, it was Jawaharlal Nehru, or some other issue, it was Jawaharlal Nehru, and they keep accusing Jawaharlal Nehru. That is why the omission of Jawaharlal Nehru's photo in the poster causes many doubts and raises many questions, whether it was deliberately done or unintentionally done. So government is really to be questioned. How come they forget Jawaharlal Nehru? Whatever may be, he was the first Prime Minister. He was the architect of our planned economy, building of public sector undertakings, heavy industries, dams in this country. How come one miss Jawaharlal Nehru's name? So it should not be just like that left out. It should be questioned. People should question how the BJP government is conducting its affairs with bias and prejudice against Jawaharlal Nehru.
Defense Minister Rajnath Singh believes the strength that the separatist forces used to get their due to Article 370 and 35A is over now.
It is a big claim made by our defense minister or army chief or the rulers in Jammu and Kashmir. But reality is something else. What we witness as silence, according to the leaders of Jammu and Kashmir, it is nothing but a graveyard silence. And people are passing through a certain psychological, emotional turmoil, and how to win the confidence of the people. That is what the government of the day must realize.
In Talibani mentality, Shiv Sena is out at Modi government over Lathi charge on farmer in Haryana.
I did condemn the lathi charge on farmers yesterday itself, and I did condemn how BJP government behaves with farmers, agitating farmers in the state of Haryana. Now the Deputy Chief Minister has come out openly and disapproving what happened in Haryana, and in fact he went to the extent of what do you call that IAS officer, questioning the IAS officer, and he has said action will be taken. So it shows everything. Not only the opposition parties, but the allies of BJP, they question, Deputy Chief Minister question, what does it mean? So farmers are farmers, they are the food givers to the people. Annadata, or what do you call in Hindi? How come farmers are being ill-treated and lathi-charged, attacked in such a way?
And farmers staged a protest near Chandigarh Press Club where the CM was addressing a press conference today on completion of 2,500 days of BJP government in the state.
Mr. Khattar, the Chief Minister, must feel ashamed of what is happening in the state of Haryana. When farmers are being attacked in such a way, what achievement he can claim in the state of Haryana? And the protest against the Chief Minister is not going to be the first and last. There will be series of campaigns and protests against the misrule of BJP in the state of Haryana.
And police registered case after a man being forced to chant Jai Sri Ram slogan went viral in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh.
Such incidents keep happening in all BJP ruled states, and it should be condemned, and law must take its course. But the BJP governments try to change the laws also. The way the Gujarat Chief Minister is speaking about conversion or anti-conversion, or Mr. Adityanath, the way he is talking about love jihad and such things. So it is the mindset of BJP, and that leads to such uncivilized, unsecular acts by certain elements of BJP.